How to enable two-factor authentication for Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store and download Google Authenticator, or you can download any Authenticator app. Then simply open Roblox. After opening Roblox, log into your account, then click on More, which is located on bottom right. Then scroll all the way down till you find Settings. Then click on Security, which is below Account Info. Then make sure you turn on Authenticator app. To turn on Authenticator app, you need to verify your email. After that, your code will be sent to email. Now, you can view QR code or copy the code that is shown. Then open Authenticator app and write code name and paste your key. Click on Add, copy the code that the app shows you, then paste it in Roblox. It will show you backup codes. Make sure you screenshot this and then click on I've saved my backup codes and close it. As you can see, Authenticator app is very secure and it has been turned on. That's how you enable two-factor authentication for Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia.